It is popcorn. Well, today you're going to do an observation. The word observation means to look closely at something. Let's clap out the word observation. Observation. Very good. Snap it out. Observation. Very good. Stump it out. Observation. Very good. Count it out. Observation. 4 syllables in the word observation. And observation means to look closely at something. So today, you're going to do an observation. You are going to think like a scientist because scientists love to observe things. They observe everything around them. And guess what? They use their 5 senses to observe. They use their eyes to see. They use their nose to smell. They use their ears to hear. Their hands to touch. And sometimes they might even taste what they are observing. So boys and girls, scientists use their 5 senses. And today you will get a chance to do that. So again, this popcorn, we're going to put it in a microwave. So now you need to think, what would a scientist do? What would they think? What do scientists do? First of all, they come up with an idea. Well, I got this popcorn here. Oh, I wonder what will happen if I cook it in the stove, or can I put it in the microwave? So they say, well, you know what? I'm going to put it in the microwave. So now they come up with an idea. They ask the question, what will happen when I put it in the microwave? If I leave it in the microwave for 1 minute, will it pop? 2 minutes, will it burn? 3 minutes, what will happen when I put the popcorn in the microwave? Now they form a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a guess as to what you think will happen. It doesn't have to be correct. So you say, I think when that popcorn finishes popping, I'm going to have some really delicious popcorn. Or if I pop it for 5 minutes, will it still be delicious popcorn? So you have to form a hypothesis on what you think will happen to the popcorn. Once you form your hypothesis, then you're going to test your hypothesis. That is when we take the popcorn to the microwave to see if what you think was going to happen, if it happened or if it did not happen. After you test your hypothesis, boys and girls, then it's time to write about it. You can write about it or you can draw about what happened when you put the popcorn in the microwave. Then you come to a conclusion. So are you ready to go and pop that popcorn to see what will happen in the microwave? Let's go over and see what happens. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to put the popcorn in the microwave. And we're going to observe what will happen. Let's start. Oh, Lord. This one. There we go. Oh, let's see. Can we see what's going on in the microwave?
Nope.
Well, is turning around. So we make an observation. I hear a pop. Whoa, it's popping. It's popping and I smell it. So I'm going to stop it now because it's not popping as much. So I'm going to stop it, boys and girls. And whoa, I can smell the popcorn. Look at that. Beautiful popcorn. And can you see the smoke? Okay, now let's go back into the lab. All right, boys and girls. Now we're back from popping our popcorn. So let's use our five senses to make an observation as to what the popcorn looks like. And what it smells like. Let's pour it into the bowl. Oh my goodness. My eyes, looking at it, boys and girls, the popcorn is white and yellow. Okay? It's white and it's yellow. It doesn't have a definite shape. They all are different shapes. It feels warm from the heat of the microwave. And, boys and girls, let's see, I'm going to taste it because sometimes some things scientists do taste. So, it tastes salty, it tastes buttery, and it's crunchy. It makes a crunchy sound when I eat the popcorn. So, now that I've done my observation of my popcorn, the scientist now, boys and girls, has to record the data, what they found out in their observation. So I've already recorded my observation. So with my eyes, I can see that it is white and some of them are yellow. It's bumpy. It doesn't have a definite shape. That means they're all different. When I smelled it, oh, I could smell the butter, and it tastes so delicious. It wasn't a bad taste. It was a good taste. When I chewed it, boys and girls, it was crunchy. It was a crunchy. I could hear the crunchiness when I chewed it. It tastes salty, it tastes buttery, and it tastes so good. And when I put my hand in here, it felt warm and a little greasy. Sorry, I'm getting choked up with popcorn. But boys and girls, these are the observations that I made about the popcorn using my five senses. So now I have recorded my conclusion as to what happened to the popcorn when I put it in the microwave. This is how scientists do their observation, boys and girls. So what I want you to do with your parents, I want you to get your favorite snack, and I want you to think like a scientist. I want you to look at it. I want you to smell it. I want you to hear if it makes a sound. I want you to taste it. And I want you to touch it. So boys and girls, once you have followed all of those steps, you will be thinking like a scientist. Now, Miss Randolph is going to eat some more popcorn, and if you like, ask your mother or father, if you have some popcorn, can you pop popcorn and see if your popcorn come out like mine did? Or maybe you might have some other kind of popcorn. But whatever you decide to do, boys and girls, is your snack, just as long as you use your five senses in doing your observation. And don't forget to place the drawing of your observation on Class Dojo. Bye, boys and girls. See you next time.